So we got these washers here that we cut on our fast cut, and I had to die grind a little bit on the inside, but they got really tight clearance. And right over there, that's what we use for our shoes on the spindles. So we got this tape on here so that we can hold them on so they won't fall when we go to do the install of it all.
Okay.
We put that long extension on there so that long extension bit on the drill bit so that we get a straight drill hole as possible, so that the screw goes in straight, so the head sits flat on the base plate. You can always get that option, but if you can, so if you're wondering why we got this ridiculous thing on here, that looks really good. Let's move to the next one. Always talk about how we use SketchUp. We bring our laptop with us. This is the drawing for this project. So right now we're using the laser. Justin is marking out 3 inches center off the treads all the way down. He's gonna put tape down so that we can mark. I'm gonna pull a measurement off of the leading edge, front edge of that landing down there. And then we have a jig. Caleb, do you know where that jig is?
Yeah.
Nice deal. So yeah, this jig here, Sam numbered number 2, the second set going down. There was a large debate about what should be 1 and 2. We can do a short on that later, but so this jig here is the exact spacing of these 3 spindles. So we're gonna come in here, we're gonna measure off of the front edge of the landing. We're gonna use the laser, and we're gonna set the center of the front spindle on each tread, mark it out, lay this on there, and use this pattern to draw our holes. And by that, if we do that, we've built the rails off of this drawing. We're marking out the holes off of this drawing. We're using a perfect jig that everything was built to, so by rights, this thing should be perfect. So I made enough mistakes to lead to this procedure. So I think we've had it work for us probably 6 or 7, 8, maybe even 10 times by now, and it works pretty good as long as we talk it through, use our heads, and double check everything. But this seems to be the most foolproof way. So I'm just finishing up detail in this wine room. We didn't do the racking and stuff like that. We just did the front doors and had Coons come in and put the glass in. Just putting the trim on the top, on the inside, and I already put some on the outside. I have some felt weather stripping right along here and on the other side, and then we walk out of here done today. Got the stairs in, got the got this done, and I think they want a couple pieces for the outside, but as far as I'm concerned, this is done. So it's really nice to have this one. This one's been on the books for a while, so I've had some delays in the job, which really doesn't matter to me. But when they were ready to roll, we started it, and now it's done. So really nice to have it done and move on to the next one.